Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
استيقظ.
To get up.
نهض.
To brush teeth.
فرش أسنانه.
To wash face.
غسل وجهه.
To have breakfast.
تناول الفطور.
To take a shower.
استحمى.
To go to work.
ذهب إلى العمل.
To go to school.
ذهب إلى المدرسة.
To study.
درس.
To work.
عمل.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.